Yes, my name is Brian Poraño. I work in Adicomp as an application sales engineer. Primarily focus on engineering and commercial development of special products, particularly for hydrogen market and gas operations. We're based in Italy, in the northeast, specifically at Vicenza, that is near to Venice. Adicomp, we supply two identical compressors. Each one can operate at 16 bar gauge for a total flow rate of 2000 normal kilometers per hour. And it is the first stage of compression because after our compressor there will be another compressor that is not supplied by Adicomp for a final pressure of 350 bar gauge. Our exchange of our planet started in 2025. Across the last year, we had the opportunity to explain how our compressor works and to tailor a compressor that meets the requirements of High Planet. What did this mean? It means that our compressor is completely managed by a PLC system, while main motor is controlled by a VST. That means that we can adjust our operating and flow rate according to the fluctuations on the process before our compressor. So it means that it operates with efficient control because when the flow rate is lower, also the absolute power is lower. Yes, Adicomp product is a really complete product because of our expertise is one of our strong expertise is to understand the process of the customer and then tailor a compressor that is completely designed for the project and for the customer and process needs. In this case, the customer has a hydrogen at 2 bar gauge. We will compress that at 16 bar gauge. Then the customer can control the temperature. We have a certain characteristic of the gases. Hydrogen compression can be applied across a wide range of applications. In my experience, a few years ago, most of projects were focused on pilot plants. Now, a growing number of companies are working on a larger scale industrial plants, and High Planet is an excellent example of this because the AS company has combined two different technologies, by combining the strength of its Q technology that is ideal up to 25 bar gauge, and then a different technology, piston compressor, for the last stage of compression.
Adicomp is very important for the project because they do a special part of the compression going from 2 bar to 16 bar. And that don't sound like a big step, but it is 8 times that high from 2 to 16. So there are not many companies they can do that as well as Adicomp can. They are specialists on this part, and yeah, that makes for us the decision to choose for the Adicomp. It's an important step because with Adicomp we can compress the hydrogen, so Adicomp to 16 bar, but then with other compressors to 300, 380 bar and fill the big trailers. But we need Adicomp as first part to compress from 2 bar to 16 bar. So that's the important thing, and it was working really constructively to solutions what already are mentioned. We choose for all the options of Adicomp because they help us a lot of saving energy by compressing. And that's also very important for the project.